Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am
going to teach you how to do a beautiful eye makeup. First I'm going to apply concealer on my eyes and blend it well. And after that I will fix it well with the help of this powder. After that I will turn my nose here and will counter my nose. I'm going to go for the wheat color here and apply it on the corners of my eyes and blend it well. After that I apply a dark blue color here and apply it on the corner of my eyes and blend it well. And I'm going to do an orange color here and I'm going to blend it well on my eyes. I will apply eyeliner on my eyes. I'll use it to smudge my eyeliner a little to make it look pretty and also apply it under my eyes for that black color. After that I will apply the eyelashes here and I will also apply the highlighter here so my eyes makeup is complete. And then my eyes is complete. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.